Hi guys, Jake Taylor here. This is a new mix review on this is a mix review on SubWay, the SubWay store itself, not the sandwich. It is still a food review because I'm talking about a place, but it's still going to be a food review because it's still a food review because this place has loads of food. It's a SubWay store, so I'm only talking about the store. I won't be doing all the stores. This is actually a remake of my old video. I tried something different with the old video if you want to watch that. It is a good video, but I tried to do something with that and it didn't work. Well, it worked. It's a good video, but it's not the style of the mix reviews I usually do. So, and I'm redoing some of the food reviews because I'm making them like the mix reviews, like the games and that. So, because my food reviews are usually different, but I'm changing it into the same format as my game reviews and that. And when you see all the reviews, you can see the changes I've done from 2018 to 2019 to 2020. But when it gets to 2020 on and onwards, there'll be some minor changes, but it'll be mainly the same through the reviews now. So this is basically, you can call it mixed review and new SubWay store review. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so the store in my area, it's it's maybe a small SubWay, but what's good about that SubWay is my SubWay has good customer review. It is a good location, and not many people go in there, so it's nice and quiet in there if you like that. There's a lot of big SubWays are always busy. This is the UK, so it's different to what America considers SubWay being good. SubWay still thrives in the UK because there's not that many different sandwich places in the UK like in America. Make it their first sandwich. So SubWay still survives in Britain. So yeah. First things first. When you go in, it's a nice place and it's all clean. The video will not. It will. Some of the footage will be before the pandemic because you can't really go in SubWay to do a proper review in it because it's all closed. So all this footage I'll be using is all old footage because of the coronavirus situation. So yeah, when you go inside, it's a nice area. They have upstairs and downstairs, so you can sit in either two. But with the pandemic now you can't, so the footage will show you that. So it's more. So yeah, but basically, when you go in, you go line up like you do in any SubWay. Plus, when you go to the counter, the stuff in my SubWay, because every SubWay is different. Sometimes you get a bad SubWay, but sometimes you get a good SubWay. So I will be doing the SubWay, but I won't be doing it like other channels go to a lot of different SubWays. I'll just say I'll just go to a SubWay what's good and do a review on a really good SubWay. If it's a crap SubWay, I won't do a review because all SubWays are different. So it varies on each SubWay. So my SubWay has really good customer service. The SubWay's in Kirkby in Ashfield in England. So yeah, okay. So it varies on SubWay, but my SubWay got good customer service. And when you go to the counter and everything, yeah, you order what you want from any sandwich lists and all that, like you always do. My favourite one's usually the the steaky cheese one with loads of nice salad, or when they do a breakfast one. I love the breakfast one as well. They're my two favourites. And no, and sometimes I like to make my own SubWay. My own SubWay is really good. So yeah, I'm not telling you all my favourites, but if it's a cold day, I do like a meatball SubWay. But that one goes everywhere, so you have to probably eat it straight there, straight in. So yeah, okay. So basically, yeah. So this customer service is. Oh yeah. So yeah, that it's a really good SubWay, and like I said, the customer service is good. And even when you go upstairs, and the SubWay is really clean. It's really hygienic. It depends on who the manager is and everything, but I do have a good SubWay at my end, and I hope you check this. I hope you check SubWays, but if it's a bad SubWay, don't judge on the bad SubWay. Find a SubWay, because how they run the SubWay is different to McDonald's. It's like with McDonald's, depends who's running it. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So thank you. So thank you, and I hope you like, to hit the bell if you want to, subscribe if you want to, and see you on the next video. So yeah, this is a MixReview on the shop. It's really nice.